Today I'm going to show you how to paint the ocean and use shoal brush. Okay, first making the ocean. Putting blue background and then randomly paint light blue and then put turquoise on the top. Then blend these colors. After that, set turquoise layer to linear burn. And next put dark blue and then blend it. Then set it to darker color. Okay, the last one is white color. Put it and then blend it. Okay, after finish painting the ocean, I created my paddleboard and the person who is paddling. Next, I want to show you my new brush set. It's a shoal brush set. I will use shoals number 1 in this set. Drawing a shoal of fish neck and then pointing them in the direction of the paddleboard. The second layer of the shoal use light blue and set it to color dodge. Drawing water tracks. Next, I use white, light blue and dark blue and then blend these colors. Yet, and that is done.